Understanding personal finance is one of the most important life skills anyone can learn, yet it's something most people are never taught in school. In the United States, millions of people earn decent incomes, but still struggle with debt, financial stress, and living paycheck to paycheck. And here's the truth. The problem usually isn't income. It's a lack of financial structure and planning. Personal finance isn't about getting rich overnight or mastering complicated investment strategies. It's about learning how to control your money, instead of letting money control you. In this beginner-friendly guide, you'll learn how to budget realistically, save consistently, manage debt wisely, invest as a beginner, and build a strong financial future step by step. Let's start with the basics. What is personal finance? Personal finance is the way you earn, spend, save, invest, borrow, and protect your money over your lifetime. It includes both daily money decisions and long-term financial planning. The core areas of personal finance include income management, budgeting and tracking expenses, saving and emergency funds, investing and wealth building, debt and credit management, insurance protection, retirement planning. Mastering personal finance doesn't require perfection. It requires consistency, awareness, and discipline. 1. Income, the foundation of financial success. Every financial plan starts with understanding your income. You need to know exactly how much you earn, and how stable that income is. Common income sources include salary or wages, freelancing or consulting, business income, investment earnings, side hustles. Smart income principles. Don't rely on only one income stream if possible. Invest in skills that increase your earning potential. Avoid lifestyle inflation when your income grows. Here's a powerful truth. Increasing income gives you flexibility, but controlling expenses gives you freedom. 2. Budgeting, the backbone of money management. Budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about intention. A budget tells your money where to go, before it disappears. Why budgeting matters? It prevents overspending, reduces financial stress, helps you save consistently, makes goals achievable. Popular beginner budgeting methods. The 50/30/20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings. Zero-based budget. Every dollar has a purpose. Pay yourself first. Savings come before spending. Budgeting is simply this. Tell your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. 3. Saving money, building financial security. Saving isn't what you do with leftover money. Saving should come first. There are 3 types of savings everyone should have. Emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses. Short-term savings, travel, purchases, goals. Long-term savings, retirement or major milestones. Best places to store savings. High-yield savings accounts. Money market accounts. Short-term CDs. Pro tip. Automate your savings so consistency doesn't depend on motivation. For debt management, good debt versus bad debt. Debt itself is not the problem. Mismanaged debt is. Good debt can include education loans, affordable mortgages, business loans. Bad debt often includes high-interest credit cards, expensive personal loans, buy now pay later traps. Smart repayment strategies. Debt avalanche, pay highest interest first. Debt snowball, pay smallest balances first. And remember, minimum payments keep you in debt longer. 5. Credit score, your financial reputation. Your credit score shows lenders how responsibly you handle borrowed money. In the U.S. it affects loan approvals, interest rates, housing applications, insurance pricing. Ways to improve your credit score. Pay bills on time. Keep credit usage under 30%. Avoid frequent applications. Maintain long credit history. Think of your credit score as your financial reputation. 6. Investing, making money grow over time. Saving protects your money. Investing grows it. Beginner-friendly investments include index funds, ETFs, retirement accounts, bonds. The most powerful force in investing is compounding. Small consistent investments made early can outperform large investments made later. Time matters more than timing. 7. Insurance, protecting your progress. Insurance doesn't make you rich. It prevents you from becoming poor after a crisis. Essential coverage includes health insurance, term life insurance, disability insurance, home or renter's insurance. Insurance is protection, not profit. 8. Retirement planning, start early, stress less. The biggest retirement mistake people make is waiting too long. Starting early gives your money time to grow. Retirement basics. Contribute consistently. Use tax-advantaged accounts. Increase contributions as income grows. Even small amounts invested early can become significant over time. 9. Financial goals, turning plans into reality. Financial goals give your money direction. There are 3 types. Short-term goals, 1 to 2 years. Mid-term goals, 3 to 7 years. Long-term goals, 10 plus years. Use the SMART method. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Clear goals turn wishes into plans. Common personal finance mistakes to avoid: living without a budget, ignoring emergency savings, overusing credit cards, skipping insurance, chasing quick money schemes. Avoiding mistakes often matters more than making perfect choices. Conclusion: personal finance is a lifelong advantage. Personal finance mastery isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Small consistent decisions create financial stability, reduce stress, and open opportunities. Financial success isn't reserved for experts or high earners. It's available to anyone willing to learn, plan, and act consistently. Start today. Track your expenses this month. Create a simple budget. Build your emergency fund. Learn one money skill each week. Your financial future starts with the decisions you make today. Disclaimer: read slowly. This content is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial investment or legal advice. Always consult a qualified professional before making financial decisions.